This is demo 7, and in demo 7 we're going to start to make shape 9 from your 20 ISO shapes sheet. So first we're going to delete these chamfers, right click delete, right click delete. We were just practicing with the chamfer tool, and we're going to learn how to make a fillet, which is on one side of your shape number 9. And so for a fillet you need to enter a radius. The default radius is going to be 0.125. And you need to select an edge to fill it. So this is going to be my rounded edge. And if you look at your shape number 9 on the 20 ISO shapes sheet, on that rounded, near that rounded edge, you'll see a plus or a little cross. And that's showing you the center of your rounded edge. So if you think of it as being a circle going around that cross, you're going to count out or up. It doesn't matter because the radius is the center towards any side of a circle. You'll count 2. So the radius of this circle, the rounded edge, is 2, and the radius is what we use for the fillet tool. So if I type in a 2 and then click OK, I'll be done with that edge. And if you can also fillet more than one edge at the same time. So I could click on all of these edges and it's going to default to my last used radius. So I could click on multiple edges at the same time if you want to apply that radius to more edges, like in shape 15 or 16 or 18. You have multiple edges filleted to the same radius. And that is how you use the fillet tool.